beautiful babes. Hello, sweet angel here. Welcome in or welcome back to the channel. Listen, what's in this cup? You're going to be amazed. When things work, they work. So I have to bring them back around to you to let you know, because many of you all have questions on what I'm doing, trying to keep it trimmed down. You know, I'm on a roller coaster ride. I'm on the same ride you're on. Okay, let's be real with it. Let's be real. Life be lifing, and you know, we're gonna eat. We're gonna have ourselves a good time. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. As long as you know what you know what you know, hey, you can always bring it back down to where you want it to be. And today's video is all about that, and what's in this cup is going to be the secret key. 2 ingredients is all you need. Well, let's say 3 ingredients is all you need. The 2 ingredients, main ingredients plus the water, that's it. And I'm going to show you how to whip it up. So welcome in, y'all. Welcome in, welcome back, all of that jazz. Listen, if you're new to the channel, do not be a stranger. Be one of my beautiful babes. You'll be glad you did. You won't regret it. All you have to do, subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and you'll be in the know each and every time. Y'all, let's get to this amazing recipe that's going to help to trim away some of that what? Belly fat. Say what? Did I say what? Belly fat. Yes, let's get to it. Let's make it happen today. So I have all my ingredients laid out here. First, what I'm going to do is go ahead and pour in my water. So you'll need 64 ounces of water. I'm just taking 4 16-ounce bottles of purified water. Now I added 64 ounces of water into the pot. I'm just going to go ahead and let that start boiling. Now I'm going to go ahead and prepare my 2 lemons that are required here. You can use either lemons or limes. Also, a few inches of a ginger root as well. So let me go ahead and prepare those while my water is boiling over here. Everything has been properly cleansed, washed off, so all I have to do is just simply cut everything up. Lemons assist in weight loss by promoting fullness, boost metabolism, boost your immune system. They'll also help in digestion, improve your skin, support hydration, and also will help to cleanse your liver. I'm going to go ahead and remove the peel off of my ginger. Now I'm just going to take the ends and cut it off. That's enough of the peel that's off. You don't have to take it all off. This is organic ginger that I got, so that should be just fine. Ginger is amazing. Ginger will help improve your digestion, increase metabolism, suppress appetite, improve your blood circulation, help to keep your cholesterol regulated, reduce inflammation, and help stabilize your blood sugar. Now we'll just hold tight until the water actually comes to a boil, and we'll add in our lemons and our ginger to the boiling water. Now our water is in the process of boiling. I'm going to go ahead and add in the lemon and the ginger into the water. Now this mix, lemons and ginger, is a great detox tea. It's a tasty, refreshing way to get a great jump start to your diet. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm a big fan of detoxing. It's absolutely amazing. It really helps to get my system and my energy going. It's an amazing way to de-bloat yourself. As women, we struggle a lot with excess water weight, especially after enjoying certain foods or alcoholic beverages. All right, I just turned it off, and I'll let this sit and cool for, you know, as cool as it'll get. And then I'll go ahead and pour it into my pitcher here. And I can serve it chill, over ice, or warm, however I would like to drink it. This is a treat to your system. It'll definitely help your gut to snap back. And here I am just
pouring it into my pitcher here, making a big mess, but listen, that happens. It's okay. I cleaned it up nicely, but I did get majority of it in the picture for sure. So I picked up the wrong pot, I guess, and I should have gotten the one with the little spout on it. But anywho, this is the tea. It's going to help you eliminate water retention. It'll shrink your stomach so you don't overeat, and it will boost your metabolism. Now, you should know already, of course, that lemon is a natural diuretic that helps purge unwanted weight. It'll also cause your stomach to pucker when consumed, so your stomach is smaller for a time. That means that if you drink this tea before a meal, you'll suddenly feel fuller after eating less food. And of course, the lemons will freshen your breath. So many benefits. And ginger is going to work as a detoxifier, helping to remove unwanted chemicals from your body. It's also known to improve your digestion, as I mentioned before, and improve your appetite. This tea is going to help get your body on track. Now, you can add honey to this if you like, if you want that extra taste, but I am enjoying it as it is. Lemon ginger detox tea to help you get your weight loss journey to a great start. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thanks so much for hanging out with me.
And beautiful babes, that's it. That's all. Your girl, Sweet Angel, bringing it to you like no other right here on YouTube. Yes, I'm giving it to you from head to toe. Let me tell you, be in the know each and every time. If you have not subscribed, do so right now. Don't cheat yourself out of your glow up. Come on in with me, okay? Listen, also, if you have not dropped the like on this video, I need that. That's my pay for this video, and I appreciate you for doing that. Show me that you really appreciate the content so I can keep doing what I do. And also, drop me some hearts in the comments, introduce yourself in the comments, and let me know if you're going to whip this one up. And we'll see you on the next one. And listen, tell your friends also. Yes, please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Some time.